Okay, so now we create a layout. So firstly, I want to remove this label. So you want to right click and uncheck this one. Okay, it's easy. And then now we want to some to connect the base map. So you can connect your if I open this will be no, it's not like good looking. So I open this one. So you can see it. So now I am in Japan, so that's why the overall they will show the Japanese letter, but you can if I reference remove it, so it will be easy. So now you can go to your insert and layout and the A4 page size. So okay, so you can add the guide. Yes, okay, horizontal. So I think it will be this will be my map, and also at the guide the horizontal will be go to, yes, this will be my like Pakistan map. No, I think this will be my Pakistan map, and this will be my this province map, because I also include the grid latitude longitude value. So this will be my, and the lower this will be my legend section. So now go to map frame. Firstly I load this area. Okay, so I think this will be my, okay, and right click and activate to arrange. Okay, let's zoom out. So I want to adjust the, I think I adjusted. Okay, and then go to layout and close the activation. Okay, save it. And in this area the frame will be my same bronze. So I think this, and go to activation, zoom. Okay, so this will be my activation. So okay, close the activation and save it. So I want to include the base map also. Go to your map and go to your this one. So I want to remove it. Okay, and this symbol, I want to change the symbol. Go to like star. I go to, if this one will be my star, and go to properties. Okay, the black is okay, and the size will be increases to 40. Okay, enter. If I check, no, it's too much heavy. If I go to like 30 will be okay. 30 will be okay. Hollow means the background color will be okay. So now okay, I think. So I also change the shape of the, click it, and black 30, and hollow will be white. And now the color, the star. Okay, property, this would be 30, and this would be the hollow. So you can it will be, if I save it and go to my layout, you can see it, it is visible. This is my location. So I think the star is too much heavy, so I will be reduce the size. In next video we will be finalize the map.